Hi friends, today I will show you how to create a new role on Discord. To do this, first click on the server name at the top left of your screen, then go to Settings. Click on Roles, create New Role. Here you can see the settings for your new role. You can now change its name. You can select what color you want the role to have. You can either select from the default or use a custom color. You can also enter the RGB value of a color that you want. If you scroll down, you can change the visibility and the mention of this role. You can also change the permissions of this role from the top. Here you can see that there are a lot of permissions that you can either enable or disable. You can enable any of them. In order to create an administrator role, scroll all the way to the bottom and select this option. This will give them all permissions on your server. Click Save Changes, and here you can see this role has been created. To assign a role, click on their name or their icon, click on Add Role, and select the role that you want to add. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.